When we discover our gifts, we uncover our passion. When we uncover our passion, we find our purpose. When we find our purpose, we fulfill our destiny. Join Nazareth Christian Fellowship for Harvest 2017, Fulfilling Our Destiny. October 18th through 22nd, we meet for dynamic and powerful services with these guest speakers. Wednesday, October 18th, Bishop H. Curtis Douglas, Senior Pastor of Daybar Bethlehem Cathedral.
It is criminal to be a member of a church, to be a part of a church, and you don't add your gift. Because if you just come to this church and all you do is sit down on a Sunday and enjoy the word or enjoy the music or enjoy the fellowship, you love, oh, it feels so wonderful in here, I love it. Yeah, but what are you doing? Are you adding your gifting?
On Thursday, October 19th, Bishop Orlando Finlater, Senior Pastor of New Hope Christian Fellowship.
If you don't worship God only, you're a spiritual adulterer. And may I suggest to you, you may not say amen today, but it's the word of God. May I suggest to you that some of us are spiritual adulterers because we have things and people that are more important to us than our relationship with God.
Friday, October 20th, Bishop Eric D. Garnes, Senior Pastor of Tabernacle of Praise Cathedral.
God did this for me. God did that for me. God is doing this for me. Why do you have to be in the sentence when we are talking about Christ? The center of Christianity is Christ. The movement of Christianity is Christ. The purpose and reason that we preach is Christ. You are the least of our concerns.
And on Sunday, October 22nd, at our 11 a.m. morning worship, our very own Senior Pastor, Bishop Roberto Jamat.
And you have to understand that nothing happens by chance in the economy of Jesus. When Jesus is ready to walk into your life, somebody needs to understand that this is the season where Jesus is walking into your life, where the fullness of time has come for you, and your fullness of time is now.
Mark your calendars, save the date, and make sure to attend Harvest 2017, Fulfilling Our Destiny.